The first thing we need is a power source to run the machine. In this case, we will use a diesel powered generator capable of a 45 kilowatt output. We start by hardwiring the terminals on the generator for the equipment plugs. For 3-phase power, we need to connect all 3 power wires and the ground. Check the wiring diagram for the generator you're using to be sure your cable is connected correctly. For a single-phase connection, we'll use only 2 power wires and the ground, as indicated by our wiring diagram. Next, we need to make sure the power output switch is in the correct position. We can switch from 480 volt 3-phase output to 230 volt 3-phase output. For the machine we're using today, we will select 230 volt output power. It's critical that your output power matches your machine voltage. Now let's take a look at the control panel for the generator. Follow the startup procedures for your generator to start the machine. After the machine is run for a few seconds, flip the idle from low speed to high speed. This will give us power output. Check the power output to make sure you're outputting 230 volts. Flip the master breaker to send power to the machine. To turn off the generator, we simply reverse the process by turning off the breaker, idling the machine down, and then shutting the master power switch off. With the generator off, we can safely make our connection to the machine. Starting with the power connector, note that all of the Diomatic machine plugs are waterproof connections. This is a built-in safety feature on all Diomatic equipment. Line up the holes with the pins on the machine and push the plug firmly into place. The twist lock connector will secure the plug. Next, we have our main panel breaker switch. Simply flip this switch to the on position to power up the machine. The digital meter on the back panel will show a 00 when the machine is ready to run. Now we can move our handle into the operating position and insert the dead man key. The dead man key switch must be in place for the machine to start. This is another built-in safety feature on every piece of Diomatic equipment. Your Diomatic machine is now ready for operation.